Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine. And in today's video, I'll be showing you how do I use the Nordea ID app to log into Nordea mobile. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. First thing that you need to do is head over and open up your Nordea app. And once you are inside here, what you need to do is tap on Let's Start. And once you tap on Let's Start here, what you need to do is enter in the username, then tap on Next. And once you here select the Nordea Suomi country, once you tap on that here, you'll be asked to select the language, tap on in English. And once you tap on that here, what you need to do is select the customer type, simply select Nordea personal banking customer, and then here you'll be asked to select the authentication method. Simply tap on activate on this device. And once you do that here, what you need to do is simply tap on continue, and on the third page you'll be asked to scan the code. Now what you need to do is open up your Nordea mobile, and now here tap on this activate in another device option, and then once you tap on that here, you will be asked to enter your user ID. Enter in the user ID and then tap on next. And now here you'll be asked to enter in your PIN. Simply enter the PIN and tap on confirm, and once you do that, you'll be allowed to see the QR code of your Nordea account. All you gotta do now is open up your Nordea ID app and then tap on this scan code, and once you tap on that scan code, you'll be seeing this kind of page. Now all you need to do is create a PIN. Simply tap on continue, and then the next page will ask you to create a PIN, and then tap on next. And once you tap on next, you'll be asked to confirm the PIN once again, and once you confirm the PIN, you'll be seeing this kind of page. And that's basically how to do it. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.